चलिए पहिले तर लिहून बघ, लिहून बघ. स्पष्ट आहे का? राईट आहे. कर स्टार्ट.
Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to my welcome class. Welcome to my online class. Today we are going to learn. I am Mrs. Sandhya Raje, Digital English from JNV Nanded. Today I am going to teach you regarding the sentences. Let us see what does the word sentence mean. A sentence means a group of words which give us complete meaning. So, a sentence means a group of words which gives a complete sense. Let us see the types of sentences. There are 4 types. Let us learn one by one. Number 1, assertive sentence. What is assertive sentence? Assertive sentence means a simple statement. It does not give any specific meaning. It is a simple statement. So you can write a simple statement. In this again we have 2 types. One is affirmative or positive, and second one is negative. Affirmative sentences are those sentences in which such words should not be there. No, not, never. Such words should not be there. They are called affirmative sentence and also positive sentence. Negative sentence contains all these words: cannot, shall not, will not, never, such words. But both these are assertive sentences. For example, he goes to school. She is not feeling well. So these are the examples for assertive sentence. Okay. Now the next one. Second one is interrogative sentence. What is an interrogative sentence? This is all questions. All questions are called interrogative sentence. In this again there are 2 types. One is WH question and yes, no type question. So what is the difference between these 2 questions? WH questions are which start from the word WH. For example, what is your name? Why are you late? Where are you going? So all the questions should start from the word WH. In this, how is also included even if it does not start from the word WH, because this is an exception. So this is the definition of WH question. Yes or no type question means the questions which give the answer yes or no. Okay, so this is these questions start from the auxiliary verbs like is, was, are, do, almost all auxiliary verbs. So if you ask yes or no type question, you will get the answer yes or no. You will not get such answers for WH question. If you ask what is your name, you will say my name is Sandhya. Okay. But if you ask how is it raining, you will say yes or no. May I come in? You will say yes or no. So such questions are called yes or no type question. And both these questions are known as interrogative sentence. Third one, imperative sentence. What is imperative sentence? The sentence which contains request or order. The sentence which contains request or order is called imperative sentence. For example, please give me water. The teacher says, read. Either the sentence should have the sense of request or the order. Both are known as imperative sentence. Let us go to the last type. Exclamatory sentence. A sentence which shows our sudden feeling is called an exclamatory sentence. Such words do not have any dictionary meaning. You know, if you find the meaning of such words, you will not find it. But it shows our emotions. It shows our what we want to say. That word can show our feelings. For example, you can say A. Each word carries exclamation mark like this. A. Hello. Alas. Each word carries such marks in front of them, and this word do not have any dictionary meaning, but it shows our feelings. So this sentence is known as exclamatory sentence. For example, alas, he is dead. There is no particular meaning for the word alas, but it shows that we are unhappy, we are sad. Hurrah! We won the match. What does the word hurrah means? Hurrah means it shows our happiness. It shows our victory. So, such words in which the sentences are there, such sentences are known as exclamatory sentence. So, these are the four types of sentences. And listen it once again, listen it properly and write 2 sentences for each type of sentences. That is your homework. Bye children.